Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds, the show where we celebrate excellence in bureaucracy. In commemoration of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections, the grand festival of democracy, we are highlighting remarkable bureaucrats who have transitioned from the executive branch to the legislature. I am Muskan Khandelwal and today we are featuring Mr. Rajeshwar Singh. It was a battle between a nerd and a cop. A former joint director of the Enforcement Directorate, Rajeshwar Singh, put aside his uniform to join the BJP. He was asked to contest the assembly election from a Lucknow constituency against a former professor of IIM Ahmedabad, Abhishek Mishra, who has been a cabinet minister in the Akhilesh Yadav government. The cop trumped the management guru. Let us figure out the entire story here. Born on March 11, 1973 in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Rajeshwar Singh's family has a history of service in the Indian Police Service. One of his sisters, Meenakshi Singh, is an Indian Revenue Service officer. She is married to UP cadre IPS officer Rajiv Krishna. His other sister, Abha Singh, is an Indian Postal Service officer turned lawyer. She is married to Maharashtra cadre IPS turned lawyer YP Singh. Their daughter Isha Singh is a Danix cadre IPS officer. His brother Rameshwar Singh too is an IRS officer. They all seem to be inspired by Rajeshwar's father, Ran Bahadur Singh, who served as a DIG and was awarded the President's Bravery Medal. He completed his schooling at Lady Fatima School, Aligarh and Kolwyn Talukdar College, Lucknow. He then went on to complete his graduation in mining engineering from IIT Dhanbad. He joined the Uttar Pradesh Provincial Police Service after graduation, but that did not stop him from further pursuing education. He did post-graduation work in sociology to align police work with social principles and authored a research paper on human rights. He also completed his PhD from the Uttar Pradesh Rajarshi Tandon Open University in 2011. He also completed an LLB in 2018 while working in the ED as its Chief Investigation Officer in the money laundering case linked to the 2G spectrum allocation alleged scam case and other probes.
Now I will be in a better position to defend the rights of the people of Sarojini Nagar. I can fight for justice up to the highest court for them.
While working in UP Police as a Deputy SP, he broke the backbone of organized crime in Lucknow and Allahabad. He was the officer who arrested Allahabad Don Atiq Ahmed for the first time. A former lawmaker, Atiq, who has since been gunned down by an unknown assailant last year, but in his heydays, he was a terror to reckon with, and no officer dared to touch him because of his muscle power and political connections. But Rajeshwar Singh proved to be a daredevil. He also arrested other dreaded criminals like Mukhtar Ansari and Vijay Mishra under the PMLA for illegally acquiring movable and immovable property worth crores of rupees. Rajeshwar Singh's work as an IPS officer was recognized for his transparency and integrity. On the way, he earned the epithet Encounter Specialist. Around 2005, there was a menace of fake bail providers at the Allahabad High Court. These bail providers used to take commission from criminals in return for false sureties in court for bail. Dr. Rajeshwar Singh intelligently busted the unlawful business of these bail providers. In its remark on the successful campaign run by Dr. Singh, the Allahabad High Court said,
The success achieved by the investigation done by Mr. Rajeshwar Singh should be taken as an example by all the investigating agencies.
After serving the UP Police for about 10 years, he moved on to the Enforcement Directorate as Joint Director on deputation in 2007. He was later absorbed into the Directorate in 2014. He served in the ED for almost 15 years. He was permanently absorbed into the ED in 2014. During his tenure with the ED, he handled almost all important and sensitive cases, including the 2G spectrum scam, Augusta Westland chopper deal, Aircel Maxis scam, Amrapali scam, and Ablaze Ponzi scheme scam, among others. He seized movable and immovable assets worth over rupees 4,000 crores earned by politicians, bureaucrats, musclemen and mafia under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. His superiors and colleagues were always effusive in their praise of Rajeshwar Singh. He is very diligent, courageous, and doesn't hesitate to take bold decisions. Rajeshwar Singh took voluntary retirement from his position as a senior officer in the Enforcement Directorate in 2022 to pursue a career in politics, specifically to contest the upcoming assembly polls in Uttar Pradesh on a BJP ticket. He won the Sarojini Nagar Assembly seat in Lucknow, defeating SP candidate Abhishek Mishra, a former professor of IIM Ahmedabad and a former cabinet minister of the UP government, by a margin of over 56,000 votes. Though he couldn't find a place in Yogi Adityanath's cabinet, having lost out to his senior IPS officer Asim Arun, he has since been working hard for the social cause and his party as well. The next video will focus on Anand Mishra, an IPS officer of Assam cadre who is creating ripples in Bihar politics. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant alerts.